Hi friends, it's Leah from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm pretty excited guys. I'm really excited to share it with you guys what all different plants I have in my deck garden, and I have got a couple of new varieties from last seasons to this season, so I'm so happy about that. And please apologize for not uploading videos last few weeks. I got a little messy with my schedule, and thank you so much for sticking with me. So without further ado, let's get into the video and see what all different plants I have in my garden. This is my golden shower climbing rose I bought from Walmart. For some reason they didn't survive. They were okay until early February, and then squirrel did something to this too. I lost them. Maybe they disturbed the roots, I don't know. But I still see some greens, but they are drying out, so I'm not very hopeful. And this is the part I had donjon, and that's completely dried out, so I just replaced my papaya plant, and it just sprouting. Not a great growth as of now. I think they are trying to root it, so I'm just going to leave them. And all other plants that I have is like, this looks like zinnia. I didn't really sow any zinnia seeds, but they are coming, so it's a bonus. And this is one of the herbs or greens that we eat in Indian cuisine, so I have, and some coriander leaves, and this is the same green. So I'm just using this part as multi plants. We'll see how it goes. And then we have Spanish thyme. This is a herb, and we love, and it smells so good, and it's immediately cures any cold. But I didn't harden them when I brought from indoor to outdoor, so that's why you see a lot of burns. But I think they are very great plant, and they will recover soon. And this is Gerberi. I kept them in garage, and I also had blue salvia. Both of them are just coming back. And here is my jasmine. I'll show you when they had full of blooms. Now almost spent, so I have to again feed them, but they are looking great. And this is my cucuras. They are looking gorgeous. And here is my two yellow color begonias. I just bought them for $6 as a small pot filled with beautiful bloom, and I just transplanted here, and I think they are still really looking beautiful. It must be 6 weeks, I think 4 to 6 weeks from I bought it for $6, and they are still doing amazing. They just filled a container with beautiful color, even though they don't look their prime. It's past prime, but they are just amazing. Look how beautiful they are with this silvery. You can see the under the leaves is dark maroon, and the front side of the leaf is silvery color, and they started blooming. It's pretty looking nice with these two begonias. And I have again the green. I'm just selling them, so I'm just keeping them. And this is my yarrow that I just throw them, and they are just doing amazing in the container, so I'm just keeping them. And this is my Gerberi. They're past their bloom with these, but there are a couple of new blooms are coming in. I'll show you how they looked when I bought it. This is also again I bought it from Kopala's Garden Center for $6 and I just transplanted and they are doing amazing. And this is Hostas. I bought it in clearance sale for $4 and I just separated all the plants and potted in 3 pots. You can see there are 3 hostas and I also potted 2 there. You can see that one on the other side. Amazing. You got this time I potted them last year and you can see they are already multiplied. I could see at least 3 plants in each pot and here I have 4 plants, so it's really amazing. I can't wait to see them how they look when they are mature. This is going to be their first season in here after I transplanted late summer or I think early fall. I don't think I had any great leaves last year, so this year it's going to fill, so I'm pretty excited. And this is a pomegranate grown from the compost I just transplanted. They died in the compost last year and then they started again, so I think it's a perennial, but only thing is are they going to survive the winter? Yeah, it's a full mature tree. Let's see. And then I have, this is from my last couple of years. I think I bought it from brexbulbs.com, I believe, and they're just coming back. And that one I kept it without knowing I had begonia. I just recently noticed there's a begonia, so I just moved them here and they were all sitting in the garage and they started after the frost is over. And I bought foxglove and they are spent now. And I also got delphinium, looking amazing. I really love the delphinium. Only thing is they are poisonous plants, so I'm just very nervous keeping it in the deck or in the garden. It's Aurora blue delphinium. I bought it for $17.98 and it blooms in spring along with rose, so it's a great companion plant with rose with a beautiful vertical structure. And let me show you the plant profile. Its cold hardiness is zone 3 and above. That's really amazing. And they grow 3 to 4 feet height, 2 feet wide, so it's a pretty good vertical plant. Just that I am still thinking where to plant in the garden because I have to be very cautious in planting them, but otherwise I really enjoy them. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.